Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. In this video recipe, I know you guys read the title. It says Asian roasted chicken wings. Listen, this is just basically almost like a naked wing, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be wet. We're just gonna take them out. We're gonna wash them, pat them dry. We're gonna mix our spices together. We're gonna go ahead and coat the chicken wings. Then we're gonna throw them in the air fryer and let this Philips TurboStar Airfryer do its work. Listen, you're talking about 5 minutes of prep and then about another 16, 17 minutes in the air fryer, and from there to the plate and then in your belly. Hey, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, did I mention these are keto friendly? Now, after you wash your chicken wings, you want to go ahead and pat them dry, put them in a bowl, and then your seasonings, everything that you had mixed, that's what it looks like. Then you want to go ahead and just like sprinkle it over the top. And then once you're done with that, then you want to just like mix them. I use my hand and just rotated them back and forth, to just make sure they were lightly coated. Now we're getting ready to set our air fryer. We want to go ahead and cook our chicken wings at 350 degrees for 11 minutes. That'll be a good point to go ahead and take a look at them, and that would determine if we need to add any more minutes. After looking at the wings, I determined that I'm going to add another 5 minutes. So the total cook time will be anywhere from 16 to 18 minutes, depending on what type of air fryer you have. Now these wings, they taste amazing, and that right there, what you see in that bowl is a sweet chili sauce. That's what's recommended for you to have, but I gotta tell you, that sweet chili sauce is not keto friendly. Did I mention these are keto friendly? Now after you just saw that, I know you guys are just saying, you can't wait to go ahead and throw yours into the air fryer. Hey listen, you can put them in the air fryer, you can put them in the oven, you can do them, just those two ways. Now listen, earlier I mentioned that these are keto friendly. Listen, if you want to get them to be more brown, more appealing, or things like that, you can take some coconut oil, rub them on there. Just maybe like a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. Maybe just a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. Just get them on there, get them lightly coated, and then go ahead and hit it with your seasoning, and then throw them into the air fryer, and then from there, boom, they just be a little bit more, browner, but it's up to you. So if you like this and you want to see more, listen, even if you want to see more keto recipes, I'm going to be doing these also. You know, just stay with me. I'm going to start a playlist and I'm going to do a series of keto friendly dishes. Outside of that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can see how quick it was to make. Listen, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like. Hey, you know what? Most importantly, let's share it. Let everybody know. You know what I mean? Hey, this is just one big happy family. Outside of that, I'm out. Peace. So look, they were just that easy. Just season them up, you know, put them in the air fryer, and the air fryer does the work. Now listen, if you want them to get a bit, if you want them to look, you know, have that roasted look, you can add a little coconut oil on there, just, you know, a couple of tablespoons. You know, go ahead and just get them lightly coated. Then add your seasoning, sprinkle a little salt on top of that, put them in the air fryer, and let the air fryer do all of the work. I mentioned at the beginning of this video that this is a keto friendly recipe. Listen, I'm going to be doing some more keto friendly recipes. I'm going to go ahead and get myself a keto playlist, you know, and so over the next few weeks, I'm going to be putting together just, you know, a few dishes, you know, something easy and simple for us to make and, you know, to follow, and they're extremely delicious. Outside of that, I hope you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, let me take the time to say, hey, thank you. You know what? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. And you know what? Most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell. You know what I mean? That bell will give you the latest notification whenever I drop a new video. Outside of that, folks, I hope you guys like this, and I'm out. Peace.